Yeah, I just got my medical card renewed just this past week and found out that my doctor is losing his medical license because the Oregon State Medical Board decided that he was writing too many prescriptions for this ganja stuff. And I imagine they might have been getting a little pressure from the pharmaceutical industry, which is losing money to these dang ganja prescriptions. Isn't it awful? But, you know, we're going to win in the long run, you know, but in the meantime, here's a great doctor, man, who's not allowed to practice medicine as of next week because he's fighting a battle that we're all fighting, you know, so keep up the good work, folks. Give it up for the folks who put on this fest and keep it in people's mind that there's still a lot of work to do. But Portland's a great town to do it in, I'll tell you that. Yes,